Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-150, 2015 to 2020? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2015 Ford F-150 passenger compartment fuse box contains fuses that protect various electrical components, such as the power windows, interior lights, and infotainment system. It includes both mini and micro fuses, allowing for compact arrangement. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy identification. The system also supports relays for high-power circuits. The 2016 to 2017 Ford F-150 passenger compartment fuse box provides circuit protection for key interior systems like power outlets, climate control, and advanced driver assistance features. It uses a combination of microfuses and relays for efficient layout and reliable operation. The fuse panel is clearly labeled for quick diagnostics and maintenance. Enhanced electrical integration supports newer tech features. The 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 passenger compartment fuse box manages circuits for advanced interior features, such as smart charging ports, enhanced infotainment, and safety systems. It incorporates low-profile microfuses and compact relays for space efficiency. Clearly labeled fuse slots aid in troubleshooting and service. The design supports increased electrical demands from modern vehicle technologies. Power distribution fuse box. The 2015 to 2016 Ford F-150 power distribution fuse box handles high current circuits for systems like the power seats, trailer tow module, and heated features. It includes larger fuses and relays to support heavy-duty electrical loads. The layout is optimized for accessibility and thermal management. Clearly marked components help ensure straightforward maintenance. The 2017 Ford F-150 power distribution fuse box supports high current systems such as power running boards, trailer connections, and heated features. It utilizes maxi fuses and relays to manage significant electrical loads efficiently. The configuration ensures reliable power delivery and protection. Clear labeling aids in quick identification and service. The 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 power distribution and fuse box controls major electrical systems like trailer tow, power seats, and advanced safety modules. It features high-capacity fuses and relays for efficient current handling. The layout is designed for optimal heat dissipation and service access. Detailed labeling ensures quick diagnostics and component replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.